everyone, welcome to Data Science Community. In today's video we are going to see how to use distinct and count function in SQL. Okay, so select count statement is used to return only the distinct and different values present in our particular column. Okay, so for that, if we have our data set, okay, and I want to count the different cities present in my table, so that's how you can use a distinct function. Okay, or at a time when you have so many values, at that time if you want to count how many distinct city names were present here, how many different cities were present here, so for that you can use a count function. Okay, at that situation you can use a count function. Okay, so let's practically understand and practice how to apply select, distinct and count in SQL. Okay, so let's open up SQL Workbench. So this is our SQL Workbench, and here I use this test DB. If you do not know how many databases are present in your system or in your SQL Workbench, then you can use this command show databases and just click control enter to run a particular row. And here I already created one table name is employee, and this was the column name which is present in my table. Okay, now here just you can use show tables to see how many tables are present in your database. Okay, and you can also write this describe employee, which is describe your table name, which is here, which is employee, and here you can get all the details related to your table. Okay, these are the information, which is field, which is the column names, data type, null, and if there is a primary key it will return here default and extra. Okay, so these values were present here. Okay, if you want to see all the details about table, you need to write this describe. Okay, now let's here I already entered all the values. For entering values in your table, you need to use insert into table name, column name, and here you need to write values, and here you need to enter all the values. Okay, now let's check what all these values are inserted into my table or not. So for that, here I use a select star for all columns and from the table name, which is employee here. Okay, and just click control plus enter, and you can see here basically this is our output window. Okay, and you can see here the columns were returned. Okay, all the columns and all the values present in this table is returned here. Okay, all the 6 values, and you can see here we are entered the 6 values and all the 6 values were present here. Okay, now let's see how we can use distinct in this case. Okay, so let's write select distinct. I want distinct city names. What all distinct cities were present here? So I simply write select distinct city from table name, which is employee in this case. Okay, just click control enter, and you can see here the different city names were printed here. Okay, now if you have so many values, okay, these were only the 6 rows present in this table. For example, if you are working on a big project, and in that case you have 1000 rows or 2000 rows or 10,000 rows in your table, then how will you count this? Okay, our table size is small, that's why we can able to count there is 4 different cities were present here. But if you have large amount of data, in that case you can use this count function. Okay, so for that you need to write select count parenthesis, okay, distinct city parenthesis from employee, which is a table name. Okay, and just need to write control plus enter, and here you can see that the city number of cities is returned here. Okay, so there is 4 different city names were present in my table. So that's how you can apply distinct and count function in SQL. Okay, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more such videos.